Hi guys, welcome to another cooking video. Well, this time we're gonna do a recipe that is in my family since, well, I would say a couple of decades. Well, even more than a couple, I would say. It was a recipe that my mother and her mother made. So it's been a long time going on. The strange thing about it is I don't like it that much, but everyone else in the family go crazy over it. So guys, it's simple. It's a cabbage pie, or if you want quiche. It's nice. It's simple to make, but it takes a little bit of time. But it's not gonna be a little bit more time in this video because you're gonna see it's gonna go very fast. On and all, I think it takes about an hour and a half, a bit more, but it takes just an hour just to cook it in the oven. So you're gonna see it's nice though. It's a nice vegetarian dish. It's not a vegan dish, and sorry for the last video when I said vegan because they had some eggs in the recipe we made, so it's not considered vegan, but it's still vegetarian, but not for the extreme one if you want. So guys, you're gonna see it's a great recipe. Hope you enjoy, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. So see you on the next cooking video. Take care guys. Ciao.